Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've got a smiley package from Amazon and it is diamond paintings, and I have been using my Vipon coupons again. Vipon is actually an app, it's Vipon, and if you search in the App Store or on the Android store, I'm sure there'll be something similar, or they may be on there. And it's just basically a site where they're listing special offers and coupon codes for Amazon, and sometimes when you actually get onto Amazon have got a 50% off deal on it anyway, so you don't need the coupon. So they're always worth having. Sometimes there's only a limited number, sometimes they don't work, sometimes they're on for quite a while, but these are a couple of paintings that I managed to snag. I do tend to stalk this Vipon website. It is a bit of a habit that I really need to break, but I can't help myself. So yeah, I tend to look sort of like last thing on a night and first thing in the morning, and then I try not to look during the day as well. But you know, you never know when the offers are going to be put up. But let's have a look at these two paintings that I got and see what they are. Okay, so they are both, let me have a look. Oh, that one's a 30 by 30. So we've got 130 by 30, 130 by 40, both poured glue. Look reasonable quality from here. So let's have a look. They are from the Beamin store, which is Beimin, and they normally charge £8.99 for these, which yeah, sometimes I do think they put the prices up so that they can put the prices down, but I've paid £4.49 for that one, and I think, yeah, I paid £4.49 each for them. They're both from the same place, and the coupons were both on at the same time, so I was very lucky to get them. They keep enticing me. I do think sometimes my hobby is buying diamond paintings as much as it is doing them. I must stop. The addiction is real. Okay, so this first one, I just fell in love with it. Okay, it is a very colourful zebra. This is a very, very stiff canvas, and it will lie flat. Let me just get this crinkly plastic. I just love the flowers on the zebra and the pink background with the black and white. I think it's just going to really pop and look lovely. I think I've told you my claim to fame that I've said before about zebras, where I was at a zoo in Scotland, sort of exotic animals, or a rare breeds zoo, I think it was called. And there was a zebra there, and you could buy food to feed them with. And obviously I wasn't feeding this zebra quick enough, and it bit me. So yay, go me. I went to Scotland and got bitten by a zebra. I was fine, it didn't break the skin or anything, but yeah, it could only happen to me. And then as I went round the corner, a goat took the bag off me anyway and ate the contents with the bag in it, so that was the end of the food. Okay, so it's quite clear. For a 30 by 40, it's not bad looking at all. There is quite a bit of detail. I'm not quite sure what the flowers will look like, albeit in the camera they do look quite clear, quite detailed. So let's have a look at this. There is a lot of what's called confetti in the background. Right, this is 25, just under 25 centimetres that way. And confetti is whereby in one little square you get a lot of different colours, instead of like the background being a complete one colour. So that would be called colour blocking, where you put in all the colours, all one colour in the same place. This is where you have to keep changing out colours, and some people don't like doing that because they don't like having to keep putting drills away of one colour and getting the next one out, and then putting them away and getting the next one out. I quite like that. I don't mind. I tend to do things a section at a time, and I just literally work my way through my colours, and I'll do all that colour, then I'll go on to the next one and do all that colour and work that way. We all have different ways of doing things, but that's what works for me. And I think, like most things, you get into your own little routine of what works best for you. So we were 25 one way and just under 35 that way. So yeah, you tend to, with it being a poured glue, and that's the ones that have the clear cover on them, you tend to find that you do lose about 5 centimetres from the picture for the edges. We've got a little key code which tells you which drill, which colour drill to put where on your picture on both sides, and it's huge. So very, very easy to read, which is great because they are all quite, well, not all of them, but there are quite some strange symbols there. Number 1 is a question mark. So yeah, I've had questions all week. I have no idea what day it is today. I'm still in, well, I'm well over. I mean, we're sort of coming nearly to the middle of January at the moment. We're past the first week. And I'm still sat here thinking, what on earth day is it? But that's just our lives at the moment. So yeah, I love that picture. I think that's going to come out really nicely. Let's have a look and see what the drills are like. So there's no DMC codes on the drills. There's, oh no DMC codes on the canvas size. So that's a shame. That's lose a point for that one, I'm afraid, Beaming, because I do like to put my drills away. I don't like having drills that just sit around. No grip seal bags, so that's the lowest sort of toolkit you can get, which is just the little pink pen with no multiplaces or anything, a green tray and your wax. There's enough there to do your kit, but yeah, there's no extras at all in that, so that's like a number 1 kit, shall we call it. Okay, let's have a quick look. Oops. At these drills. Did you see that? I got into that bag straight away. So these are the white strip drills, and they look okay. There will be acrylic drills. Oh, some lovely colours in this. Okay, so we have a very corally pink, a burgundy type colour, and then lots of pinks going to a peach, and a darker colour. I think that's a dark brown, and a grey. Sad, there's, with there not being any DMC codes, I don't know if there's any 310 in this, because that certainly isn't. That's a dark brown, grey, red, nice deep purple, a nice pinky colour there, some sandy colours, stony type colours, deep blue, another brown, that's another dark brown, hot pink, and that's like a pinky purple, and another brown, and like a very pale purple colour. And then just like 2 winey and purpley colours there. So I'm not entirely sure that there are any 310s. Any 310 is like black, which is probably the first colour of DMC that most people learn, because it tends to be the most common. So that's quite strange, doing something that's a black and white animal, and there are actually no black or white drills in this. So it will be interesting to do this to see how the colours come out, but we will see. So that is canvas number 1. So disappointed there's no DMC codes, and I am at the point now where I don't try to match them up. I have plenty of spare drills, and obviously as I do a canvas I'm getting more and more each time. You can sit and try and match them up, but I just don't anymore. I tend to donate my drills to various charities or craft groups that actually can use them for something else, not necessarily diamond painting. They're great if you make your own cards, shaker cards, things like that. Particularly the crystal gem ones. They look really good if you put a few of the silver crystal gems in, say, a snow scene or something like that. They'll just really make it sparkle when you shake your card, and you get that noise as well from them because they're a little bit heavier. So that's that one. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. This is a 30 by 30, so it's a little one. And where's the end? Yep, this is these are in the soft plastic bags, not the crinkly plastic bags as well. Oh, and this is a little bit stiffer canvas, feels slightly different to that one. And it's a little piggy. Look at him. Oh, same drills, and again no DMC codes. 19 colours on this one, and just the code on the one side, but it is a small picture. Same little toolkit there, same little basic toolkit. Let's just flatten him out a little bit. I think he's holding an apple. I've got a funny feeling this is a pig holding a toffee apple. But, do you think that looks like a toffee apple? I think that's a toffee apple there. But he's a nice smiley little piggy, and I thought, oh, I've not got any diamond paintings of pigs, so he will do. I will have the pigs. As you know, my style is very much cutie and animals and anything cuddly, and yes, I do think pigs are cuddly, particularly little teeny tiny piglets. Oh, one of my friends used to live with a farm at the back of her, and I used to be allowed to go and see the little baby piglets, and they were absolutely gorgeous. Mind you, Mummy was very protective. You didn't go near the piglets when Mummy was around. She was huge, really big, bulky piggy, but she was very, very pretty, and I do like pigs. So yeah, a little teeny tiny picture. Let's give it a quick measure. I would think it's going to be about a 25 centimetre square. Oh, it's a 24 centimetre square, which 24 centimetres is just under 9.5 inches by, oh, and this is just slightly under 24 centimetres, so that's about 9.25 inches. So it's not quite a true square either, that one. I am only measuring roughly though. You know, I'm not going to the millimetre on these. So let's have a quick look at the colours. Pretty little colours. Pretty little piggy. Millie likes pigs as well. We've been to a few different places with farms, and she likes going and looking at the pigs. And I must admit, they come and look at her and think, oh, you're a bit fairy. Millie is our little Scottish Terrier, our little Scotty dog. Right, so we have a couple of blues and a nice pink and like a rusty brown, and that's like a orangey red, and that looks like a black. That is it black? No, it might be a very dark brown actually. We'll have to look at that under the light and see. Like a purpley colour and a coral, and then lots of peachy colours, which I think are going to be the little piggy. And another orange there, and a purple, and a paler purpley, lilac-y colour, and oranges, very pale peachy colours, a little bit darker peach, and then an orangey colour and another peachy colour. So it's all very much the same colour palette, this one, all from the same colour families. But yeah, I think that's pretty cute. So just a quick video today of two little pictures that I got. So we have a lovely zebra there and a little piggy. Similar colour palette actually with the pinks. Yeah, I think they're pretty good. Quite happy with those. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. And if you want to come back more, possibly see these completed and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come up. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.